Okay, this is our last lesson on using input and output tables to solve story problems. We're going to look at a little bit different story problem. And so our math standard is 3.2.1.1. I can apply input and output rules to real world problems. All right, so we're going to consider this story problem. Mom is going to make muffins for the bake sale. Each pan holds 12 muffins. For every pan of muffins she makes, she keeps 6 for the family to eat. So we can use a table to help us solve this. So we start out with our table, which has muffins made. So here's a pan with 12 muffins in it. So when we made 12 muffins, a second pan would be 24 muffins. A third pan would be 36. And what we want to do is we want to look at how many we are going to be keeping, and then we'll look at the rule. So if we make 12 muffins, we're going to keep 6 for our family. If we make 24 muffins, we'll keep 12. If we make 36 muffins, I want you to think about what will come next. How many muffins are we going to keep? Okay, if you said 18, you were right. So what's the rule? The rule is for every 12 muffins Mom makes for the bake sale, she keeps 6 for the family. 6 is half of 12. So the rule is halving or dividing by 2, which is the same thing as halving or cutting it in half. So your link off today is the Google form. You will need to make sure that you're signed into your Active Directory to do it. A lot of you who did the one on Wednesday did a really good job on it. And so just make sure you're doing it the same way. There'll be one problem. It'll be very similar to this. It'll just use different numbers and a different theme. Have fun solving these problems.